and welcome to another episode of People at HP. Our today's guest is a very special member with over 21 plus years of experience, Mr. Sameer Thakur. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, can you recall your first day? How was it?
Yes, I still remember my first day. It was kind of, excitement as well as some nervousness because, I'm stepping into the world of this professionalism work. So it was quite nervous and excitement day.
So, when did you decide that this is the organization where you want to grow?
It was not like at the time of starting, I was just looking for all the organizations and I came across with the Hidden Mates with one of the references who come along with me for the interview. By working and by when I particularly joined and started working with this organizations, I feel that this is something where I should spend my time and I can grow myself over here.
So your growth was from a trainee to a junior developer to a more leadership role. So how was that transformation?
I joined as a project trainee over here. Then I take a gap of around 6 months for my last semester and then joined as a trainee developer over here, and currently I'm pursuing as a resource manager.
That is very nice, sir. So what time was more enjoyable? The trainee phase where you are learning new things, or the leadership role where you are the one giving the training?
I think every day is enjoyable. There was two perspectives. When you are trainee, you are learning something, and when you are giving training means you are exploring yourself as well as the others. That the energy you can explore, you can get more energy on every day. As the new member join, they come up with their own energy, their own thought process, their own learning. So it is kind of learning and implementation on every day.
So moving from a trainee to leadership, you must have learned plenty of things. If you were asked on a previous year while you joined, what was that one advice you would give to your younger self?
To my younger self, I would like to advise you should have a day where you can learn something new. Like you should explore the new things which is coming into the market.
So as a resource manager, how do you decide which developer or a team member is fit for a project? Do you follow a specific project or it's just pure intuition?
No, it will not always work with the intuition. You need to identify what is required for the project and what is the capability of the resource.
So which is your fondest event that you secretly look for?
The time that we spent on a conversion day, it was always a memorable. Apart from this, जो हमारा सेलिब्रेशंस होता है जो कि पर्टिकुलर इवेंट का, जैसे दिवाली पे हम थोड़ा सा गेट टुगेदर्स और बाकी सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. ईयर एंड पे 4 या 5 दिन का जो हमारा इवेंट होता है जिसमें हम बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के इवेंट्स करते हैं. जैसे किसी दिन थीम डे कर लिया, जैसे किसी दिन पर्टिकुलरली रेड एंड वाइट डेज कर लिया. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जो डेज होते हैं जो कि पर्टिकुलरली हम दिसंबर में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इट वाज ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, फुल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, फुल ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशंस. ये होता है. और पर्टिकुलरली नवरात्रि का जो टाइम होता है, ऑफिस पूरा डेकोरेटेड होता है और कोई ना कोई एक दिन ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे पूरी ऑफिस के सारे लोग मिलके कोई एक पर्टिकुलर वेन्यू पे गरबा नाइट जो एंजॉय करते हैं. दैट इज सो not a particular one event, but these are all are the series of events that we celebrate.
तो आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हो सर सब में?
हाँ, करते भी है और करवाते भी है.
करवाते भी
जी.
एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुना था आपने, आपने चाय का स्टॉल लगाया. कुछ छोटा ग्लिम्स उसके बारे में बताइए.
वो मुझे पर्टिकुलरली ईयर तो याद नहीं है, बट इट वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो कितने लोग जानते हैं, बट हमारी एक मानसी जो सर्कल है वहाँ पे भी एक ऑफिस थी जहाँ पे हमने ये पर्टिकुलर सेटअप लगाया था. इट वाज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ जो बाहर से तो आपको चाय का टी स्टॉल दिखेगा, लेकिन अंदर जाओगे तो आपको एक IT कंपनी मिलेगी. सो इट वाज नेम लाइक IT, so that is, it has information technology and tea. Wow. So it was a mixture of I and T.
So next we have a very fun rapid fire round.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Let's get started. Your first office desk memory at HP.
A small desk, energy.
The one phrase you have said most often in 21 years.
Let's do it.
A younger teammate's habit that always makes you smile.
Debugging of anything. Like if you are working, then you should debug it properly.
The project you would do all over again just for the thrill of it.
I think I have to redo all the projects again to feel the same thrill again in it.
Favorite HB tradition or offbeat team ritual?
मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया था तब ऐसा टाइम आता था कि जो हमारा लंच या तो डिनर टाइम होता था उस टाइम पे हमारे पास पेंट्री नहीं थी, तो हम क्या करते थे, जो भी खाली जगह होती है वहाँ पे सारे लोग एक साथ खाना। सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग, एंड कहीं ना कहीं वो आज भी चल रहा है कि हम एक साथ मिल के फिर से सब खाना खा रहे हैं यूजिंग डेस्क वन टेबल। अब उसमें चाहे 5 हो या 6 हो, जितने भी हो एक टेबल पे ही खाना खाना।
One tool you can't imagine your workflow without now?
All the project collaboration tool, whatever you are using, specifically for the project management, code, everything, PTS और PMS और आजकल नया नाम आया है Projman.
Your go-to stress buster after a packed day of meetings?
It is obviously the time I spent with my kids after the end of the day.
कितने बच्चे हैं सर आपके?
2 है।
आपने जब HB ज्वाइन किया था, were you married? If your HB life was a movie, what would its title be?
I would say कभी खुशी कभी गम। सुबह आपके पास बहुत सारी खुशी होती है, शाम को कभी कभी गम होता है, कभी आते हो तो गम होता है, कभी जाते टाइम खुशी होती है।
It was amazing having you here. Thanks so much for your time and all the best for the future.